In any new business role, we have to disrupt people's day. And in order to disrupt people's day, we have to make ourselves a priority. Now, the way that we can make ourselves a priority in what we want is by connecting it to our prospects' priorities that they already have. And the best way to do that is to try to put yourself in their shoes. Have you ever thought about your ideal customer profile and what their days are like? Really try to understand. What is your day like? What do you care about? What are some of the challenges that you are running into? What are your objectives? Think about it deeply and really try to put yourself in their shoes. Once you can determine what it is that their day is like, then you can effectively make yourself their priority by connecting it to what they likely care about. So to give you an example, let's say that I am working at a media agency and I'm trying to get the attention of a direct-to-consumer brand. The way I would approach it is to think about it. What do they likely care about? This is a new direct-to-consumer brand that's growing fast. Typically, if you're a new brand, you are probably trying to drive sales and drive it in an efficient way. You may also not have all the resources necessary to run a full paid media campaign to spread awareness, drive consideration, and drive those sales. You also are likely very interested in being efficient as possible with your dollars. When you're a new company, you only have so many dollars that you're able to put towards marketing, and therefore you have to be as efficient as possible. All right, so now going back to, let's say, the media agency. The way I would approach it is threefold. One is identify what they're trying to do most likely, which we've already established is trying to drive sales, trying to drive awareness. Why can you help them? You have expertise on paid media. So how do you disrupt this direct-to-consumer brand day? Positioning yourself as an expert so that they trust you. The way you do it is to position yourself as an expert. Do you have any case studies that are similar to that particular brand? If you do, this is a perfect use case. Demonstrate in your outreach. Spoken to a lot of companies similar to you. Understand that from my experience with them, they likely are you're trying to drive sales efficiently as possible. We've done it for similar companies. Utilize your case study. From there, you'll say, I would love to set up some time with you to find out if we can do the same thing for you. The goal of your outreach is to set up time with them. It's not to make the sale. So you have to sell the meeting. And the best way to sell the meeting is to tell them, this is what you're going to get out of the meeting. We're going to tell you a bit more about what we've done for similar companies and then see if we could do the same for you. Chances are they're going to want to hear about it and want to set up time with you. So again, to take a step back, put yourself in their shoes, try to picture what their days, what do they care about, and then from there, connect what you have expertise in to why you think that you can help them. Provide some social proof by providing a case study. The closer that you can get to them, the better. And if you're able to directly connect your solution to their needs, there's a good chance that you will be able to set up time with them. Again, you have to disrupt their day. They're busy people. So continue to follow up, continue to provide value, continue to use examples that will get them intrigued enough to want to set up time with you. Thanks so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.